look at it as a blessing in disguise na this is our reset. I think we have two first round picks. So we will eagerly await the applicants of the draft. September pa naman yun. So I think we'll be 3 and 4. That's a good spot to be in, no? Lalo na kung malalim yung draft. So we will try to build from that. Then we will explore other possibilities. No? I'm not saying na merong specific people in the trading block. I'm not saying that, but we will open ourselves to explore possibilities. Also, we will practice early. Baka 2 weeks lang ang break namin. No? Holy Week, magpa-practice na kami, pero siguro mga 3 or 4 days lang. No? Yung Thursday, Friday hanggang Sunday, bibigyan namin sa mga players. But we just want to start early para lang hindi masyadong mawala sa kondisyon yung mga players, but at the same time they can recover. So we're just trying to balance yung recovery time nila, at saka ayaw naman namin na masyado silang mawala rin sa kondisyon. From our information, baka may plano yata yung PBA na may packet tournament eh. So we need to prepare for that. Kung May yun, tamang-tama, April yung pa-practice kami. We will also formulate an off-season program, no? Individual skill work aside from yung teamwork, team practice. We want the guys to work on their weaknesses, acquire certain skills that are going to be useful for our system. So, ganun din naman ginawa ko rito sa Reno siya nung una akong pumasok. We explored possibilities of trades and drafts. At the same time, we tried to build up the players who were already there to improve their individual skills. Yun lang panlaban namin. Sabi ko parate na talent-wise, tanggapin natin na mas talented yung mga ibang players ng ibang team. So, yung paraan para ma-compensate mo yun is build your skills. No? Try to be more skillful, try to be smarter. Maybe that can lessen the gap nung gap sa talent ng ibang teams. So, yun, nag-uusap naman kami ni Boss Raymond. Everything naman is also discussed in our talks, in our meetings.
Coach, does it give you well, obviously, Coach, mas malaki yung window mo ngayon kasi considering yung pagpasok, yung return to the regular shine, that was just weeks eh.
Yes, actually, yung preparation time, ito na yung talagang ideal eh. Pati yung sa import, nag-struggle kami sa import, I guess one lesson is we have to pick our imports early and be able to siguro ano, no, scout scout our prospects earlier and widen our horizon. Kumbaga, we're open to Europeans, no? We're open to Africans, we're open to Americans, no? So, yun naman na yung ano ngayon, no? Yung direction, no? Ng pagkuha ng mga imports.